Ever find yourself staring blankly into the refrigerator, the clock ticking down, and the dreaded question echoing in your mind, "What's for dinner?" We've all been there. The pressure to whip up something delicious and satisfying, especially after a long day, can be overwhelming. It's a universal struggle, that nightly quest for a meal that's both easy to prepare and enjoyable to eat. But what if I told you those days of dinnertime dread are over? What if you could banish the panic and replace it with excitement, knowing you have a repertoire of quick, easy, and incredibly tasty recipes at your fingertips? I will never panic about what's for dinner again after learning these 3 easy recipes. These aren't just any recipes. They're game changers. They're the kind of meals that will have your family begging for seconds, the kind that will impress your friends without you spending hours in the kitchen. Seriously, they're that good. They're so good, in fact, that you might just find yourself looking forward to dinner time. Get ready to transform your weeknight meals from a source of stress into a moment of joy and deliciousness. Prepare to be amazed at how simple and satisfying cooking can truly be. So, are you ready to ditch the takeout menus and embrace the magic of home cooking? Are you ready to unlock your inner chef and create meals that are both simple and spectacular? Let's make magic in the kitchen. Let's embark on a culinary adventure that will transform the way you approach mealtime. First up, the ultimate one-pan garlic butter chicken. This recipe is a lifesaver on busy weeknights. It's quick, it's easy, and it delivers incredible flavor with minimal cleanup. It's the perfect solution for those evenings when you're short on time but still craving a home-cooked meal. We're talking juicy, tender chicken breasts infused with the rich, savory goodness of garlic and butter, all perfectly complemented by fragrant herbs. Toss juicy chicken breasts with garlic, butter, and herbs. It's a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. Just a few ingredients, a single pan, and minimal effort yield a restaurant-quality meal. Then bake for a golden, flavor-packed meal in under 30 minutes. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering, and the taste? Pure perfection. It's a culinary masterpiece that's surprisingly easy to achieve. Next, classic creamy pasta carbonara. This isn't your average pasta dish. It's a culinary experience. It's the kind of dish that transports you to a cozy Italian trattoria with every bite. It's a taste of Italy right in your own kitchen. Forget complicated sauces and endless ingredients lists. All you need is eggs, parmesan, crispy bacon, and spaghetti. These simple ingredients combine to create a dish that's both satisfying and sophisticated. The secret to authentic carbonara is its simplicity. It's about letting the quality of the ingredients shine through, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. No cream required. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes less is truly more. The result is a dish that's both comforting and elegant, perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. It's rich, silky, and absolutely foolproof. Once you master this recipe, you'll never look at pasta the same way again. You'll have a go-to dish that's sure to impress. And for a show-stopping finish, 5-minute chocolate mug cake. Because sometimes you just need a little chocolate in your life, and you need it fast. It's the ultimate quick fix for your sweet tooth. This isn't just any dessert. It's a personal-sized indulgence that's ready in minutes. Just mix pantry staples in a mug, microwave. Imagine sinking your spoon into a warm, gooey chocolate cake with a molten center, all without even turning on your oven. And boom, molten chocolate magic, no oven needed. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet cravings without any fuss. It's a little bit of heaven in a mug. These recipes are quick, crowd-pleasing, and totally doable. They're designed to fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, providing delicious and satisfying meals without sacrificing your precious time, even on your busiest nights. They're the perfect solution for anyone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner chef and create some culinary magic. Try one, or try them all, and let your kitchen confidence soar. Embrace the joy of cooking and discover the satisfaction of creating delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. Don't miss out on more delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. Hit subscribe for more tasty ideas every week. Stay tuned for more culinary inspiration and tips to help you become a confident and creative cook. Happy cooking! And remember, The best meals are made with love and a little bit of kitchen magic. So go ahead, add a sprinkle of love to your next dish, and enjoy the process.